how do you go from being a CRNA into aesthetics? Like, what got you interested in the aesthetics journey, the aesthetics field?
So there's two sides to the story. So the first story is, I think I told you earlier, when I was younger, going into basketball, I was overweight and kind of socially challenged, I guess you would say. And I became fascinated with health and appearances over time. I actually struggled with a little bit of anorexia in college. And so I've always been fascinated with that world of having to improve yourself. And during COVID, we shut down elective surgery in March, and I had two options. One, you could go home and take the free money that the government was giving you, or you could go work in the ICU. So I chose to go work in the ICU. I just felt like it was the ethical thing to do. And I got my pay cut in half.
And you never take the easy
I
way,
never
can I
take the
just
easy way.
say?
I'm not someone that can sit around and like not do anything. I'm like, I have a skill, I should use it. So I went worked in the ICU. I got my pay cut in half. And I was frustrated. I was like, God, when is this going to end? How am I going to pay my bills? And I was talking to my hairdresser, who I've been going to for 17 years, and we would always talk business and how to go forward. And she was like, you know what? You've always been interested in aesthetics. And she's like, I would never let anyone else touch my face except you. She's like, you're one of the smartest people I know. You have all these like skill sets behind you. And that just sent off a little alarm bell in my brain. And I started thinking about like, how can I do this? How can I get into this?
Man, that is awesome. And then, did you feel that once you started to, obviously you cared about the field of aesthetics, and then what was kind of like your reason why, or what brought you into aesthetics, like in terms of the patient care?
So my mission statement in my business that I always tell my clients is I want to make people feel comfortable in their own skin, because I spent so many years feeling uncomfortable in my own skin. So I think aesthetics is for everybody. I don't think it's limited to women or men who are wealthy and have money. I think at some degree we all want to feel good about ourselves. And the key, the secret sauce that I have is I am very good at developing a relationship with people in the first 5 minutes. I am easy to talk to. People tell me their life story within 10 minutes, and I'm like, oh God, there's like so many secrets I have being in this position. And I think the key is listening to why someone is there, why they want to look better and feel better, and starting where they're comfortable starting, like figuring out where they're at and figuring out what's the next logical step for them to feel better.